Hey everyone! Today we've got a viral dessert, and honestly, it went viral for a very good reason. Chocolate chip cookies are already heaven on their own, but imagine taking one straight out of the oven, dropping it on a scoop of ice cold ice cream, and eating this glorious mess in the middle of summer, sitting by the window with the AC blasting after the worst work day of your life. And yes, I'm editing this video right now, and somehow I want one again. Welcome to the video. First, we're starting with brown butter. Melt the butter over medium heat and keep stirring. You'll slowly see it start bubbling, and this is where the browning begins. Keep stirring and watch the color carefully, because we're making brown butter, not charcoal. Once it starts smelling nutty and delicious, it's time to take it off the heat. Brown butter gives the cookies a much better flavor and a chewier, more gooey texture compared to regular butter. Let the butter cool down a little, but keep it warm. Don't let it get completely cold. Now whisk the egg, sugar, and vanilla just until combined. You don't need to wait around for the sugar to completely dissolve. Add the warm brown butter and mix for 30 seconds. Then add the heavy cream. Heavy cream makes the cookies even chewier and more gooey. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Mix just until everything comes together. And please don't overmix it unless you're secretly trying to make cookie-shaped bricks. Add the chocolate chips and save some for the tops of the cookies. Now the cookies go into the fridge to rest. Once they're chilled, use a scoop or a spoon to take a portion of dough. Add some chopped chocolate in the middle for maximum chocolate damage. Then cover it with another layer of cookie dough. And finally, add even more chocolate chips on top. Because apparently there is such a thing as not enough chocolate. into the oven, they go. And if your cookies spread too much after baking, use a round cookie cutter to gently bring them back into shape while they're still warm. Now for the important part, add any flavor of ice cream you like. I used tiramisu, and it was amazing. I also added some sour cherry jelly on top to balance out all that sweetness. And honestly, it was such a good decision. And there you have it. Our dessert is ready. This combination is seriously dangerous. A hot, gooey cookie with cold ice cream can give the classic brownie and ice cream combo. You have to try this one and tell me what you think in the comments. And if you have any questions, ask me and I'll answer. See you in the next video. Bye!